You probably just press the button or tap on the charge port to open this up. But did you know there's 6 different ways that you can open the charge port, including an Easter egg from Tesla? How about an emergency latch to unlock the charging cable if it gets stuck in the port? Well, let's get into the video and I'll show you all 6 plus that extra bonus. So be sure to stay to the end. The first one is just tapping on the door, and that will open it. And you can close it like that. Some people do the top with the charging cable. I've seen people do this one for a joke. So that's the first one. Simple, just tap on the charging door and it will pop it open. Again, this only opens if the car is unlocked and your phone key is near the car. So the second option is to use the button on the charging cable. This one does not rely on the car being unlocked. So if the car is locked and someone presses this button near your charging port, it will open. Just like that. Now, if the charging cable is in the car and the car is locked, if you press this button, it's not going to allow the person to take the charging cable out. It will only allow it to be taken out if the car is unlocked or your phone key is nearby. So this prevents someone from unplugging your car randomly if your car is locked. Third one is to use the mobile app, which I have right here, and it's the lightning bolt icon right there. So all you do is press the button, it'll open up the port, and you can close it again. You'll notice that when it's open, the port will show that the lightning bolt will be white and the port on the car will be open. The fourth one here is the door handle. So this has been added with the latest software update from Tesla. And what that allows you to do is to hold the door handle open for 3 seconds and it'll open and it can close the port. And the benefit to that is if you have an issue with a supercharging cable, instead of having to get into your car and grab your phone or any of that stuff, especially if the button's not working because the charger is not functioning properly, then you can't unlatch it. So what you need to do is find a way to do it. This is the quickest way. You'll open up the door handle and then hold it for 3 seconds. And it'll open up the port. If you hold it for another 3 seconds, it will close the port. And so that's a hidden one that most Tesla owners don't know about. And it's very convenient. So the fifth one is just on the screen here. It's over here. It's lightning bolt, just like on the app. And you click on that. And it'll open the charge port and it will launch the charging application. And if you want to close it, you can just close it. Here's the sixth one. This is using the microphone, and it's a voice command. So you can just press this once. Open charge port. And charge port is opening, and again, does the same thing as pressing that button. Close charge port. There you go. So Tesla has a Easter egg in the voice command as well. And all you need to do is press the button, open butthole. And it will open up the charge port. Close butthole. The last feature I want to show you is if you have the charging cable plugged in and something's gone wrong and you can't press the button to get it out, none of the unlock features electronically are working. On the left-hand corner of the inside of your trunk or of your Model 3 or Y, there's a manual pull that will allow you to unlock that charge port. You reach in and you pull this cable and it will unlock it. So I'll give you a demo of that function. I've never had to use it, but it is a manual release. It's similar to the doors. They have the electronic opening the door buttons. but there are also manual pulls in the front, and in the back there's a pull for unlocking the back doors manually. I've created a video on that, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. I've got that up on the top there. And let's go ahead and show you that feature. Just in case you ever run into that situation, it's nice to know that you can still unlock the charging cable from the car. Okay, so I'm just emulating the situation. I've got the charging cable plugged in. It's not charging. And then up here, again, this is just the corner. There's a little hole, but if you reach in there, you'll find a small loop, and you pull that, and that will allow you to disconnect the cable. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.